Good morning, guys. It's holiday for two. Dave here. Any of you out there have pickup trucks with a camper shell on the back and you need to replace your struts? These things only last a few years. I've had these about 7 years and I replaced them 7 years ago. It's real easy. You can order new ones on Amazon for about 20 bucks. Just make sure you have the right length and the right pounds. This is 16-inch, 45-pound gas struts. Then you get yourself a flathead screwdriver, and there's a little clip under here, and you just pop up that clip a little bit and lift it up, and then these will come off, and then the tubes themselves will unscrew. I'll show you the old. They screw in at the bottom and the top, so just make sure you check your tube before you order new ones and see if there's any numbers on them. All right, so you just need a couple of things. You need